Hi you guys, it's your girl Kendra Moore, and today I am going to show you how I make my signature body butter. Now, I recorded this video thinking it had sound and then found out later that it didn't. So here we go with the voiceover. Now, I love this body butter because you only need a little bit and then you can see how much it spreads. It is not greasy. It really soaks into your skin and it leaves your skin feeling very nice, moisturized, and it gives your skin a beautiful glow. To make the body butter, I use a refined organic shea butter. Now you can use other types of shea butter, but this is the one that I really love. It's really different than your yellow shea butter. Your yellow shea butter, I love this, also great for your skin and hair. So you can use the yellow shea butter, but what I've found is that the white shea butter allows the scent of the essential oils to come through the final product, where your yellow shea butter has more of a heavier type of scent. So we are using that. Now, I am putting in 1 cup of that shea butter. And here what we have is cocoa butter. Now, cocoa butter is a butter from India. I love this butter. And it's a little bit more difficult to work with because it's hard. It's not like a soft butter, but it melts really well. And I love this butter because it's known to help skin cells rejuvenate. And I also find that it gives the end product a nice, luxurious feel. But this is optional. You did not have to add cocoa butter, but I'm adding a 4th cup of cocoa butter. Next, I have a 4th cup of avocado oil. Now, this is a carrier oil. You can use whatever carrier oil you like. I am using avocado oil. You can use jojoba oil, rosehip oil, grapeseed oil. It's up to you. So this, once I add in my coconut oil, which is a little less than a 1/3 cup that I add. Next, I'm going to melt all of these ingredients together. So I have everything you can see in this glass container. I put enough water in that pot to come almost up to half of the container. And I put that in there and I'm just gonna let all of those slowly melt. So I put it on low heat. You can use a double boiler if you would like to do that. So you see now everything has melted together very nicely. It took probably about 20 minutes or so because I have it on very low heat, because you're not trying to cook the oil. You just want to melt the oil, the shea butter, cocoa butter, you know, everything that you put together. You just want it melted, but you don't want it cooking. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this out and we are going to put this in the refrigerator and let it sit. And now what we're doing is we're letting this sit in the refrigerator until it becomes solid. I'm coming back to show you the second half of the video and how we actually get the body butter into its nice creamy state with our oils of choice. So I have here, this is the melted version once you put it in the refrigerator. Now you'll see that it's already it's like solid and creamy and feels so good, but we want to whip this bad boy up. Let's start with blending the product. So once you have your body butter all solid, what you want to do is you want to put it into a good size bowl. So you simply add your oil and you don't need a whole lot. So what I would recommend is you find your smallest measuring spoon. This is a 1/4 teaspoon. Actually, I have a 1/8, but we're going to start with this 1/4. And I am going to pour a little bit of this in here. And remember, you can always add, right? So start with a small measurement of whatever oil that you decide to use and add that. Blending it together slowly at first, getting that creaminess, that mixture together. I believe that people can people can feel the amount of care that you put into something when you make it, especially when it comes to stuff really personal like food and body care products, you know, hair products, for example. And you just want to let this all mix till it gets to a good consistency that you like. People can feel whether or not you just rushed it just because, you know, you wanted to get it over with, or if you're truly doing it because you love what you do and you love them, right? Okay, that smells good. You want to put it on yourself. You want to be able to feel it, know what it feels like, know what it smells like on your skin. And I am going to put this on. And you can see just from that little piece, look how much space I was able to cover. That is insane, but that's great. Ooh, that smells good. Once you have your body butter all made, is you are going to put it into a container. We still have one more step. I'm going to set this in the refrigerator again overnight. And let me show you guys again the finished product. So it should come out to a texture like this. It's going to be this nice, thick, rich cream that you already saw. A little bit goes a long way. You can use it on your entire body and it'll have that wonderful scent. And in the meantime, you can go ahead and use this video and whip up your own body butter as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.